We have our different anatomical portions. We have our capsule. You have your cortex, the lighter shade. This is the medulla. We have renal pyramids, the tip being the renal papilla. Between the pyramids, we have renal columns. We have a lobe, which is half of the column, some cortex, all of the pyramid, and half of the column here, so that would make a renal lobe. We have minor calyx, major calyx, renal pelvis, ureter. Here's the hilum, so your renal artery, renal vein. You also have lymphatics and nerves, segmental arteries and veins, interlobar artery and vein, arcuate artery and vein, cortical radiate artery and vein. These are all different corpuscles. Here showing you a nephron. So we're going to take this, blow it up, which is this. Once again, here are corpuscles. The inner part of a corpuscle, so we have Bowman's capsule, which is the yellow, the red being the glomerulus. Together it makes up a corpuscle. So this would be the PCT, thick descending limb, thin descending limb, thick ascending limb, DCT, connecting duct, collecting duct, papillary duct. Okay. If we go over to this nephron, once again, corpuscle, both structures, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, PCT, thick descending, thin ascending, thick ascending, DCT, connecting duct, collecting duct, papillary duct. Cortical nephron, juxtamedullary nephron. You can see that's shorter, this is much longer. So the capillary system that surrounds this would be the peritubular capillaries. Surrounding this one would be vasa recta. Here's an afferent arteriole. It's coming in to the glomerulus. So here's another afferent. This would be an efferent. Arcuate vein, arcuate artery, cortical radiate artery, cortical radiate vein. Interlobar artery and vein. Capsule, cortex, medulla, pyramid, renal papilla. One of these is now blown up to here, so this whole structure is a corpuscle. We take this out. We have Bowman's capsule, or the glomerular capsule. This is the glomerulus itself. Okay, so here's the capillaries that make up the glomerulus. Here's with its visceral covering, visceral peritoneal covering, podocytes, the red line being the filtration slits. The projections on either side would be the pedicels. Afferent arteriole, capsular space, PCT, DCT, macula densa cells of the DCT, JG apparatus or JG complex.